Hello, I am Hadijata. I am a graduate of Starfish International Leadership Academy, Level 1. And one thing I learned from the training was I was taught to go back to my community and do a sustainable action learning project that people can benefit from. And every project Starfish offers requires a participant to do a sustainable action learning project that directly improves the community immediately. My action learning project fell under the umbrella of climate change, and it is on mangroves restoration. So it was a teamwork, and we planted 400 mangroves in the wetlands at Lamen Lodge.
This is the wetland area where we planted the mangrove propagules. Mangroves are very significant when it comes to climate change mitigation because they serve as carbon sink. They also protect the coastline area from coastal erosion. And as part of our sustainability plans, we partner with other agencies, institutions, and individuals that are directly dealing with climate change mitigation.
Manko ni na kumaya jay mi turu jang asembo or badal Starfish meta ka la même mako fo ni manko to ni manke follow because of erosion ni fanan ako fanan tankandile jio kana na ni sembo ka tinyaro manko ko be stop because of climate condition be jam tending is serious so ni manko turu ay ton na fa bakele bake fo ay na fale ay bani fa na fa ay ulal bele na fa because ila farofo ko jobo ko no gesa manko la turu ni.
This project is very important, and I must thank Starfish International Leadership Academy for this opportunity because it has given us the opportunity to better serve our community, and this will go a long way in promoting climate resilient community in our society.